Want to accept direct food orders without relying on third-party delivery platforms? A ghost kitchen is a restaurant that only prepares food for delivery or pickup. It doesn't have a dine-in area, so customers order online instead of eating at the restaurant. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show how to build a direct food ordering experience for a ghost kitchen using WPCafe, WooCommerce, and Optiontics. WPCafe, WooCommerce, Optiontics, and the required tools are already installed on this website. First, open the pickup settings. Here, you can show the pickup date, set the preparation time, and add a short pickup message for customers. Next, open the delivery settings. You can show the delivery date, set the preparation time and delivery fee, and add a short delivery message. Next, open the food product list. The menu items are already created, so we'll assign them to the correct categories. Open a product, choose the relevant category, remove uncategorized if needed, and update the item. This keeps the food menu organized and makes it easier for customers to browse different types of food. Next, open Optiontics and create a new option group for the burger product. Add options for extra cheese, spice level, and drinks. Set an extra price for paid choices where needed. Publish the option group, then apply it under specific Woo products and select burger. Now, open the time-based product section and create a new rule. Select the product and set the time, date, or day when it should appear. This helps you control items that are only available during specific hours. Now, open the mini cart settings. Review the available cart options and enable Show Per Item Tax if you want customers to see tax details for each selected item. The mini cart helps customers review their selected food and order total while staying on the menu page. Next, open the WPCafe shortcode settings and generate the food menu shortcode. Copy the shortcode and paste it into a WordPress page. Publish the page, then open it on the front end to test the menu. From the food menu, open the burger item. The Optiontics add-ons now appear with the product, including extra cheese, spice level, and drinks. Select the required options and add the burger to the cart. Continue to checkout and choose either delivery or pickup. Finally, confirm that the selected add-ons, delivery or pickup details, customer information, and total price appear correctly. That's it. Your Ghost Kitchen menu is now ready for direct delivery and pickup orders through WordPress. Follow for more.